Hello everyone and welcome, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to configure shortcuts. Now, Opera allows you to customize keyboard shortcuts for most browsing actions, and we have so many ways of doing that. So these are normal default keyboard shortcuts and combinations. Here are the actions for Mac and for Windows or Linux. So we have a lot of them. Go through this to see them. So different categories. Now, if you want to edit or add new shortcuts, how do you do it? First, from the home menu, right click, select settings, then select browser. Then on the right side, scroll all the way down until you see shortcuts. Then you can click configure shortcuts, so click on configure shortcuts. And then you have all the shortcuts here, and you can configure them to the one you want. Here are the shortcuts, so you can set to reset all or start changing one after the other. Cancel one later and you type in the shortcuts. It's as simple as that. That's all it takes to change the shortcuts. For each and every one of them, you can do it one after the other. They add a new shortcut for those that already have, like this one doesn't have a shortcut for opening TikTok and Cyber. You don't type a shortcut for it. Same with this, you can type a shortcut for it. I've typed U and shortcut for opening TikTok and Cyber. If you don't want them more, I can click cancel it. It's as simple as that. So that's how you do it for every one of them. You can put in shortcuts and remove from those that you don't want or change them.